Hello and welcome to another update video on MicroStrategy or Strategy Inc. Many people still use MicroStrategy, so I do it as well. I think strategy is just not so established yet as a name. We will take a look at the shorter time frame in this video. In the last video, I zoomed out, showed you exactly this, but I recorded the last video update before the weekly close. So we're going to zoom in, take a look, if we can identify what the chart is telling us and what we should be watching for on Monday when the stock market opens again. I explained all these structures in the last video. They are basically the scenarios I'm watching right now, watching for a further decline. Here, for example, in the white scenario, we could now start that wave 4 bounce at any time, either from here or maybe after another low. Next support levels are, well, the trend line around $250, and then the next support line around $236.25 is going to be relevant as well. And then $224 is the 138% extension of the decline, which is just a Fibonacci extension target, just levels to watch. Together with the structural support levels though from April and February, March, this could provide some very, very strong support in that region. In the very short term, I'm basically getting ready for a bounce of wave 4. This is what I'd be watching for next week. $305.37 to $343.29. This would be the first resistance area to watch. The wave 4 should be in line broadly with the wave 2. So it doesn't need to be massive, okay? But it should unfold as an ABC structure. Now, this is all very, very tiny, smallest movements here, nothing really impulsive. What could happen, and this is something that I'm watching for Bitcoin as well, maybe a bounce in an ABC structure, but you see, this here would probably be a bit too small for the wave 4. I'd prefer a larger 4. So I'm not even sure if this 4 starts from here. Microstructures are a bit unclear here to the downside. The move up is weak so far. But I give you a micro support area to watch for next week. So if we now start to see a pullback, then this is the zone, where we should see a reaction and a C wave could possibly start. Low confidence, we're trying to identify structures. Not every structure, not every label is a good setup. They are very important to understand. This here is kind of low quality in my opinion. It's too small. For any larger recovery, we need this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we get this, I call it a wave 1. We'll add support for wave 2. There you go. That's the classic long trade setup from an Elliott Wave point of view. But what we are doing here is simply observing, tracking, also for educational purposes. I don't see anything really actionable there, unless someone really wants to speculate for a rally in wave C or 4. From a very unclear location, okay? I'm saying unclear location. It is a trend line. Hold on. Didn't want to move anything. It is a trend line, obviously, where the price is trying to find support. And we have Fibonacci support here as well, around 256.79. So yeah, that's basically what we're watching for. That gives you some resistance for the coming sessions, as well as Fibonacci micro support and the support levels below. Certainly, we still seem to be in a local downtrend with a chance of a bounce from this region. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.